Hey y'all, today instead of working with glue and scissors and stuff like that, I'm just going to do a little scribbling with some alcohol markers. You can use any kind of, you can use Crayolas, you can use map colors, you could use colored Sharpies. These will show through to the other side of the page, but that's okay. I don't care. It'll make the other side cute. Anyway, I'm getting a blank piece of paper and putting behind it so it won't go through a whole bunch of pages. And this is the center of my signature. It's real hard to get to because my journal is so fat. It's so fat, y'all. I'm trying so hard not to make it fat, but it's fat. Ugh. I try to not do it, but I always do. Okay, first, I'm just going to make a little wiggly line all the way around both these pages. So you can just make it just as little and make it uneven and just ever how you want. I'm going to go all the way across to the other page. Like that. So far so simple, huh? And it looks like a border. And it is kind of a border around the two pages because I'll put something in the center of the pages. So next, I'm going to use a red marker. Let's see if this is the skinny end or the fat end. That's the broken end. What the heck? So what's this end? This is a fat end. It might work. Skinny end might work better. So I'm going to go where this dips and leaves the whole corner of the page right there. I'm going to make 5 little dots in a circle. And then where this one dips, 5 little dots in a circle. And I'm going to do that all the way around the whole page. And I don't want y'all to have to watch me do all of the pages. So I'm going to pause it here in a minute. And like ones like these, I might want to put some extra ones because there's a really big dip. And watch how fast I can do this. There, and as you can see, I made my 5 little dots all over the whole book, especially in the corners. I like them in the corners a lot. Okay, so now we've got our 5 little dot circles, and now I've got an orange marker, and you can use any color that you want. This is just so simple, but looks so cute. I'm not sure if I want to use this end or the fat end. Let me see. Oh, this end works good. Now I'm just going to go down and make me a little orange circle. Just poke it. If you're using a marker, it just makes the little dots so perfectly. I don't know what it is about this design, but I've been making this design around pages since grade school. Like I would make it on my homework or when I was just sitting and doodling in class. I would make tons of these. And then one day I had my markers and I was just sitting thinking, what can I do with my markers on a junk journal? And then I just started making these. They're just so easy, but I think they're so pretty when you get done. Just so pretty. Oh, I got that one crooked. Oh, well. The only people who don't make a mistake is God. So you will make mistakes. There, how's that? Isn't that so cute? Let me show you up close. Let me put the lid on this. Apparently I ain't a good lid putter on it. Okay, so we got that so far. That's so pretty. So now I'm going to get the fat end of the green one. And then go down everywhere, every now and then and make a leaf. Like, just like that. On the big humps, I might make 2 or 3. And then on the little humps, Just make one. You don't want it to be too even. And then I like my leaves to all be facing the same direction. Like if I'm going a particular way, I just keep going that particular way. I mean, I don't know why. I've been doing it that way for years. So that's just how I'm going to do it. You can do however you want. Because it's your journal. I always seem to, at the end, like make a lot more leaves. So I'm trying not to do that this time. Ta-da! And there it is. You see how fast it is to make these. Make this, and now you have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful border for your page. And then you can put whatever you want in the middle. I think I'll put some of these pockets in the middle. Trying to see which color would look best. Ooh, this has orange, and because we have orange as our dots, and then it has green like leaves. So I think I'll use that as one of them. And this one has a lot of blue. Wait, here's one that has a lot of green in it. How does that look together? I think that looks pretty good. Or would it be prettier to have this one? These are just cutouts in a really old graphics 45 package, like 10 or 15 years old, called Bohemian Bazaar, and they don't make it anymore. Oh, I love it. I just love it. It's one of my very favorite ones. Now I'm just going to glue down the edges of this one. Ooh, that side's pretty too, but it's pretty busy, and this is a very busy page, so I want to get some kind of muted pockets on here. Okay, and I forgot to distress it, but that's me. So since I didn't distress this one, I'm not going to distress the other one. Okay, now I have a cute pocket to put stuff in. Now I'll put the other pocket down. Let's see, do I want it this way? Oh, I think I want it this way. This side was a postcard, but I have more of them, so. Let me pull the strings out of the way. This is the center of the journal. That's why it has these strings here. The center of signature number 3. I just can't believe how fast it's gone making this video. I'm definitely 100% going to make more videos making journals. It's just been so fun, y'all. Just give me something to do every day. When I wake up, I'm like, oh, I gotta go figure out what I'm gonna do today so I can make a video. Because I love, 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 love and adore junk journaling. You'll see when I show y'all all my journals that I have made. I need to put a bunch more up on Etsy. But if you like and share this video, leave a comment so I'll know that you shared it, because at the end, I'm going to have giveaways for the journals. Okay, hold on. I got to get little things for it. Okay, I found these little charms, the little love and the little tree. I don't know if you can see that little tree. And I'm going to tie those onto the little things. Sometimes I forget to do this part. I'll forget to tie the little charms on the strings, but I guess people can put their own charms on them if I forgot. Oh, I stripped it, y'all. I stripped it. I have to make this one shorter. Might be the hole in this love is too little. May have to get a different one. It's just not working. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a different one. I found a 4-leaf clover. So this means, I guess, lucky in love. I'm going to tie it in. There. So now you got your cute little charms in the middle. Let me get a couple of little tiny journaling cards to put in the pockets. Oh, how cute are these? They match. Aww. That's adorable. So we'll put these two on this side and these two on this side. So see, that's our page. Wasn't that simple and easy and so beautiful for the middle of our signature 3? Adorable. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Like and share, and I will see you next time soon.